Hi, in this video I will show you how to take a video with your iPhone. This is iPhone SE of 2020. So we will open the camera, then video. If you want to do horizontally or vertically, how to take it. So you can press like this as usual, but there is another way to take a video. This is with the volume button up or even down, I think. So volume up, you start your video, and if you want, when you want to stop and end the video, press the volume button. And also same, when you start with volume down, start the video, starting, and stop the video with any button, start and stop, start and stop. And this is easier way if you want to take a video. Sometimes your hand is not easy to access the video button, or is your hand is wet or not clean, so this is easier to start filming with your iPhone. Thank you.